My name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I am making an apothecary wooden drawer stand for, I can't think of anything else to call it. It's this little stand right back here. Hope you enjoy. I bought 9 of the little wooden box cubes. They have the little drawers in them from Dollar Tree. I'll be stacking them together 3 rows of 3, just like this. I am using brown oxide paint and watering it down a whole lot, probably 4 to 1, 4 parts water to 1 part paint. When you apply it to this raw wood, it sinks in and really makes it look like a stain. And it's a lot easier to clean up. All of my boxes are dry. Now I am going to glue them together. I'm going to use E6000 and glue, hot glue. Hot glue makes it hold right now. Within a couple of seconds, it's dry and holds pretty good. E6000 is a long term because I think this will probably get a little beat up. But I'm going to glue each row, and then each row to each row. My drawers, they go in the, I want them to be black. Now I will not be having the little hole. I'm going to turn them around and put a little handle on them, but I want the drawer faces to be black, so I'll actually put them in like this. I'm going to paint inside and out black. good deal on some really long ones. Otherwise, I would buy short little ones. Anyway, took one. Got my husband to cut me 9 1-inch pieces. I am going to take my handy dandy sanding block, sand the ends down, and then do the brown stain to them and attach them kind of like that as little handles. All of my pieces all stained and ready to roll. I'm using a tacky glue. I just put a whole bunch out, a little squirt over here. And I'm going to use a block to kind of measure down and guess the center. And there is a little bit of a flat spot. Going to use the little wood blocks as handles, but it felt like it looked like a little kid's dresser to me. So instead, I used them as feet. I know you've seen a shot of the box at the beginning of the video, but here is the real final reveal. I am so happy with how this turned out. It might be one of my favorite ever Dollar Tree DIYs. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you try this? What would you put in it? Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. This video sparked your imagination. What could you do with those little block cubes from Dollar Tree?